reliability. From a race over an angry sea to a race against time, from the corporate office to the heart of your business, and from that electric moment to the comfort of your home. Every day, people around the world rely on electrical components and solutions from the brands of Power Products. Power Products is a global manufacturer and supplier of power management, conversion, and connectivity products. We offer a broad range of harsh environment electrical devices for marine, industrial, construction, and transportation markets. If you need to connect it, power it, convert it, manage it, or charge it, we have the solution. Our brands are industry leaders across demanding market segments. Marine brands like Blue Sea Systems, Marinco, and Mastervolt are global leaders in harsh environment components and power management. And our renowned C-Zone digital switching technology is bringing boating into the digital age. Gardner Bender has been a trusted supplier of electrical components and test instruments to electricians and do-it-yourselfers for over 50 years. Del City is a business unto its own, supplying nearly 12,000 hard-to-find electrical components used to retrofit, maintain, and upgrade emergency vehicles, work trucks, and off-road equipment. These brands have grown and excelled with our commitment to innovation and product development. Our global engineering and design centers in Amsterdam, Auckland, and the US continually bring best-in-class products to market. Products that make jobs easier, safer, more consistent, and ensure reliability when the job is done. Our brands are recognized around the world, and Power Products has a world-class logistics and sourcing infrastructure with 650 employees working across 4 continents. From our headquarters in Wisconsin to our 9 facilities around the globe, our advanced distribution and logistics capabilities allow our customers to place a single order for products across multiple brands and ensure on-time delivery. We utilize best-cost country manufacturing and a network of long-standing sourcing partners. Our teams are proud of the products they design, manufacture, and sell. This is seen every day throughout our facilities and in the satisfaction of our end users. Our cities will continue to grow. Our homes will continue to become more connected. And people will continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, challenging Mother Nature at every turn. And in every connection they make, the reliable brands of Power Products will be there.